Hello friends, we'll be discussing about the telecom earnings review for the third quarter. Now in telecom we also have an additional stock, Bharti Infratel. Overall the telecom numbers for the companies which we track on an active basis, that is Bharti Airtel and Idea Cellular, were below our expectation and the street expectation on overall basis. While the net revenue growth was still in line with the expectations, the operating profit margin, there was a contraction in the operating profit margin for both the players. This was basically because of the higher other operating expenses, particularly the increase in the diesel price that came into play, along with increased expenses from the subscriber acquisition cost that dragged the operating profit margin for both Bharti Airtel as well as Idea Cellular. While on the net profit front, both the companies reported numbers lower than what the street was expected. Bharti's number came subdued also because of the foreign exchange component that reported a loss. So overall the results were lower than what the street as well as our expectation was. On the conference call for both Bharti Airtel and Idea Cellular, the management sounded cautiously optimistic on the business environment. We have also seen post the results that few companies, they have taken a limited amount of price hikes in the voice segment as well as on the data segment. The freebies and the discounts which were very high or rampant during the last 12 to 6 months, that have reduced. So probably there is another, so what we are seeing is possibly the price, the pricing power which was lost by the telecom players, that is probably coming again back to the players in the form of higher tariff rates. So the positive impact of that can be seen in the results coming forward, though the trend is yet not established. This is one positive thing that we see post result and from the management's conference call talks. Second is the regulatory environment, which was very uncertain and very negative for the entire sector in the last 12 or so-called, let's say, last 24 months. That has suddenly and slowly and suddenly has started reviving and being positive. We saw the last November auction. There also, I mean, the response was very tepid. And coming in the March auction, with the reduction in the base price, possibly the competitive intensity which was so very high, that will come down. So slowly and steadily what we see is the rationality and sanguinity is coming back into the sector. So we remain cautiously optimistic on the sector with our pick for Bharti Airtel. That remains a top pick in the telecom space, and we have a hold rating for Bharti Airtel. Thank you.